เอาลงเคยกลับไปจะทำเก็บผลผลิตก่อนออกสาร
within the amount of water his condition is getting
จึ
better.
งกรอบเลยตลอดนี้หายใจมาก่อน
We also have the pictures of the bullet getting through his stomach.
จึง
ก็ส่งรูปที่เราเคยได้เรียนนำ
การแรกจำที่ได้จำกล่าวคุณมาบันทึกเส้นเราเป็นcái lừa đối tượng đây là một em này không phảiเป็นបាទអ្នកជំងឺនេះឈ្មោះរដ្ឋចន្ទធា
His name is Rajanthiya.
បាទអាយុ21ឆ្នាំ
He is 29 years old.
ស៊ីស្តង់មកថាបាត់សាច់ម្ដុំហ្មងបាទ
So he's caused losing of his
ជាធំហើយនឹងបាត់សាច់ចាំទេ
and fortunately he did not lose his bone.
ហើយភាពទូទៅគឺបាទបន្ទាប់ពីវះកាត់មកគឺគាត់ដឹងខ្លួនបាទក្នុងរយៈពេលកន្លះម៉ោងហើយរូបភាព
ពេលហើយសុំបាទបានមកគាត់ញ៉ាំ30 នាទីក្រោយ After 30 minutes from the surgery he didn't conscious.
ក៏អត់មានវាnữaអត់ទាំង3នាក់នេះវាជួយពីក្រោយចេញបាទនេះថាជាឆាន់បាត់ក្នុងក៏រហូតដល់ខុសយើងទៅខកពីខាងនោះទៅខកពីខាងនេះនេះលុបអត់ដល់វាអត់ហើយបងស្អីទេបាទគឺនេះគាត់ឈ្មោះនេះសុកបីគាត់
His name is Min Sok Mei.
អាយុ32ឆ្នាំ
He is 22 years old.
គាត់មកពីតាមតាកតាក្នុងបាត់តែមកពី
He arrived at the hospital first around 5:30. So much blood.
ហើយមកទៅពីខាងមុខពីខាងក្រៅ